The Richest Man in Babylon is a classic personal finance book written by George S. Clason and first published in 1926. It is a collection of parables set in ancient Babylon, which provides readers with timeless financial lessons and principles that are still applicable today. The book follows the story of Arkad, a man who starts as a humble scribe but becomes the richest man in Babylon through his knowledge of finance and his adherence to certain principles. Through his encounters with other characters, he shares his secrets and lessons on the importance of saving, investing, and managing money wisely. The first chapter of The Richest Man in Babylon is titled, The Man Who Desired Gold. In this chapter, the reader is introduced to the character Bansir, a chariot maker who dreams of becoming wealthy but struggles to save money. The main points of the chapter include the desire for wealth. Bansir desires to become wealthy and improve his social status. The inability to save. Despite Bansir's efforts, he is unable to save money because he always finds a reason to spend it. Seeking advice. Bansir seeks advice from his friend, Kobe, who is a musician but has a reputation for being wise with money. The importance of saving. Kobe tells Bansir that the key to wealth is to save at least 1/10 of his earnings. The power of compound interest. Kobe explains that by saving and investing his money wisely, Bansir can benefit from compound interest and grow his wealth over time. Overall, the first chapter emphasizes the importance of having a desire for wealth and the need to save and invest money wisely. The lesson that Bansir learns is that financial success requires discipline, patience, and a willingness to seek advice from those who are wise with money. The second chapter of The Richest Man in Babylon is titled, The Richest Man in Babylon. In this chapter, the reader is introduced to Arkad, the richest man in Babylon, who is asked by the king to share his wisdom on wealth creation with the citizens of Babylon. The main points of the chapter include the journey to wealth. Arkad recounts his journey from a humble scribe to the richest man in Babylon, which was achieved through his understanding of money and finance. The secret to wealth. Arkad shares his secret to wealth, which is to save at least 1/10 of your income and invest it in profitable ventures. The power of compound interest. Arkad emphasizes the power of compound interest and the importance of investing in ventures that offer a high rate of return. The need for education. Arkad stresses the importance of educating oneself on financial matters and seeking the advice of experts. The responsibility of wealth. Arkad concludes by reminding the citizens of Babylon that with great wealth comes great responsibility, and it is their duty to use their wealth for the betterment of society. Overall, the second chapter reinforces the importance of saving, investing, and educating oneself on financial matters. It also emphasizes the responsibility that comes with wealth and the need to use it wisely. The chapter sets the tone for the rest of the book by providing a framework for wealth creation and financial success. The third chapter of The Richest Man in Babylon is titled, 7 Cures for a Lean Purse. In this chapter, Arkad shares with his friends and fellow citizens of Babylon 7 simple and practical steps that can help them improve their financial situation. The main points of the chapter include start thy purse to fattening. The first cure is to save at least 1/10 of your income and to ensure that you live below your means. Control thy expenditures. The second cure is to carefully examine your expenses and eliminate unnecessary expenses. Make thy gold multiply. The third cure is to invest your savings in profitable ventures that offer a high rate of return. Guard thy treasures from loss. The fourth cure is to protect your investments from losses by investing only in ventures that you thoroughly understand and that have a good track record. Make of thy dwelling a profitable investment. The fifth cure is to own your home or invest in real estate that generates income. Ensure a future income. The sixth cure is to ensure that you have a steady income stream even after you retire by setting aside a portion of your income for future use. Increase thy ability to earn. The seventh cure is to continually improve your skills and education so that you can increase your earning potential. Overall, the third chapter provides practical advice on how to improve one's financial situation. The 7 cures are timeless principles that can help anyone achieve financial success and security. The chapter emphasizes the importance of saving, investing, and continuously improving oneself to increase earning potential. The fourth chapter of The Richest Man in Babylon is titled, Meet the Goddess of Good Luck. In this chapter, Arkad tells the story of how he became wealthy with the help of the Goddess of Good Luck. The main points of the chapter include the role of luck. Arkad acknowledges that luck played a role in his success, but he also emphasizes that luck alone is not enough to achieve financial success. The importance of preparation. Arkad stresses the importance of being prepared and ready to take advantage of opportunities when they arise. The need for action. Arkad explains that luck favors those who take action and make decisions, rather than those who wait for opportunities to come to them. The power of positive thinking. Arkad also emphasizes the power of positive thinking and the importance of having a clear vision of one's financial goals. The role of persistence. Finally, Arkad stresses the importance of persistence in achieving one's financial goals, as setbacks and failures are inevitable, but they should not deter one from continuing to pursue their dreams. Overall, the fourth chapter emphasizes the importance of being prepared, taking action, and having a positive attitude in achieving financial success. While luck may play a role, it is not enough on its own, and one must be persistent in pursuing their financial goals. The fifth chapter of The Richest Man in Babylon is titled, The 5 Laws of Gold. In this chapter, Arkad shares with his friends and fellow citizens of Babylon the 5 laws of gold that he has learned through his experience in building and managing wealth. The main points of the chapter include: gold comes to those who save at least 1/10 of their income. The first law emphasizes the importance of saving at least 1/10 of one's income and using that money to invest in profitable ventures. Gold labors diligently and multiplies. The second law stresses the importance of putting one's gold to work through investments that offer a high rate of return, as the power of compound interest can greatly multiply one's wealth over time. Gold clings to the protection of the cautious owner. The third law emphasizes the importance of protecting one's investments and only investing in ventures that one thoroughly understands and that have a good track record. Gold slips away from the man who invests it in businesses or purposes with which he is not familiar or which are not approved by those skilled in its keep. The fourth law cautions against investing in ventures that one does not thoroughly understand or that are not recommended by experts. Gold flees the man who would force it to impossible earnings or who followeth the alluring advice of tricksters and schemers or who trusts it to his own inexperience and romantic desires in investment. The fifth law emphasizes the importance of avoiding investments that promise impossible returns or are based on shady or unethical practices. Overall, the fifth chapter provides a framework for building and managing wealth through the 5 laws of gold. The laws emphasize the importance of saving, investing, protecting one's investments, and avoiding risky or unethical ventures. The chapter reinforces the message of the previous chapters that building wealth requires discipline, education, and sound financial practices. The sixth chapter of The Richest Man in Babylon is titled, The Gold Lender of Babylon. In this chapter, Arkad shares with his friends and fellow citizens of Babylon the importance of being a wise lender and borrowing money only from those who are trustworthy. The main points of the chapter include: the importance of lending. Arkad stresses that lending money to others can be a profitable and worthwhile endeavor, as long as it is done wisely and with caution. The qualities of a wise lender. Arkad explains that a wise lender must be patient, careful, and choose borrowers who have a good reputation and a proven track record of paying back their debts. The dangers of borrowing from the wrong people. Arkad warns that borrowing money from those who are not trustworthy or who charge high interest rates can lead to financial ruin. The benefits of borrowing wisely. Arkad also explains that borrowing money wisely, for the purpose of investing in profitable ventures or assets, can be a powerful tool for building wealth. The importance of building a good reputation. Finally, Arkad stresses the importance of building a good reputation and maintaining one's integrity in all financial dealings, as this can greatly enhance one's ability to borrow money and secure favorable terms. Overall, the sixth chapter provides valuable insights into the world of lending and borrowing, emphasizing the importance of caution, patience, and wise decision-making. The chapter reinforces the message of the previous chapters that building wealth requires discipline, education, and sound financial practices, including the careful use of debt. The seventh chapter of The Richest Man in Babylon is titled, The Walls of Babylon. In this chapter, Arkad explains the importance of protecting one's wealth through sound financial planning and risk management. The main points of the chapter include: the importance of protecting one's wealth. Arkad stresses that it is not enough to accumulate wealth, but that one must also take steps to protect it from loss. The risks of investment. Arkad acknowledges that all investments carry some degree of risk, but stresses that one must be careful to invest only in ventures that have a high probability of success. The role of insurance. Arkad explains that insurance can be a valuable tool for protecting one's wealth from unexpected events, such as fire or theft. The importance of diversification. Arkad stresses the importance of diversifying one's investments across different asset classes and types of investments, in order to reduce overall risk. The dangers of speculation. Finally, Arkad warns against the dangers of speculation and gambling, and emphasizes that one should only invest in ventures that they thoroughly understand and that have a proven track record of success. Overall, the seventh chapter provides important insights into the world of risk management and financial planning, emphasizing the importance of caution, diversification, and wise decision-making. The chapter reinforces the message of the previous chapters that building and maintaining wealth requires discipline, education, and sound financial practices, including the careful management of risk. The eighth chapter of The Richest Man in Babylon is titled, The Camel Trader of Babylon. In this chapter, Arkad tells a story about a camel trader who learns an important lesson about the power of enthusiasm in achieving success. The main points of the chapter include the power of enthusiasm. Arkad emphasizes the importance of having enthusiasm and passion for one's work in order to achieve success. The value of persistence. The camel trader in the story persists in his efforts to sell his camels, even in the face of rejection and adversity. The importance of taking action. The camel trader takes action and does not simply wait for customers to come to him. He goes out and actively seeks buyers for his camels. The role of creativity. The camel trader uses his creativity and resourcefulness to come up with new and innovative ways to market his camels, such as dressing them up in colorful blankets. The importance of building relationships. Finally, the camel trader builds strong relationships with his customers, providing excellent service and treating them with respect and kindness. Overall, the eighth chapter provides important insights into the world of entrepreneurship and salesmanship, emphasizing the importance of enthusiasm, persistence, creativity, and building strong relationships with customers. The chapter reinforces the message of the previous chapters that building wealth requires discipline, education, and sound financial practices, but also highlights the importance of personal qualities such as passion and resourcefulness in achieving success. The ninth chapter of The Richest Man in Babylon is titled, The Luckiest Man in Babylon. In this chapter, Arkad tells a story about a man named Bansir who believes he is unlucky, and how he learns to overcome this mindset and achieve success. The main points of the chapter include the power of positive thinking. Arkad emphasizes the importance of having a positive mindset and believing in one's ability to achieve success. The dangers of negative thinking. Bansir's negative attitude towards his own abilities and his constant focus on his perceived bad luck hold him back from achieving success. The role of education. Bansir learns the importance of educating himself and acquiring the skills and knowledge necessary to succeed in his chosen profession. The importance of taking responsibility. Bansir learns to take responsibility for his own failures and shortcomings, rather than blaming them on outside forces such as luck. The rewards of perseverance. Finally, Bansir learns that perseverance and persistence in the face of adversity are key to achieving success, and that success often requires hard work and sacrifice. Overall, the ninth chapter provides important insights into the power of mindset and attitude in achieving success, emphasizing the importance of positive thinking, education, taking responsibility, and perseverance. The chapter reinforces the message of the previous chapters that building wealth requires discipline, education, and sound financial practices, but also highlights the importance of personal qualities such as mindset and attitude in achieving success. The 10th chapter of The Richest Man in Babylon is titled, The Magic of Thinking Big. In this chapter, Arkad explains the importance of having big dreams and ambitions, and the power of visualization and goal setting in achieving success. The main points of the chapter include the importance of having big dreams. Arkad emphasizes that having big dreams and ambitions is crucial to achieving success, and that one should not be afraid to dream big. The power of visualization. Arkad explains that visualizing one's goals and dreams can help bring them to reality, and encourages readers to create mental images of the success they wish to achieve. The role of goal setting. Setting specific and achievable goals is crucial to achieving success, and can help provide focus and direction in one's efforts. The importance of action. While visualization and goal setting are important, taking action towards achieving one's goals is crucial. Arkad stresses the importance of taking small, consistent steps towards one's goals, and not becoming overwhelmed by the magnitude of one's ambitions. The dangers of complacency. Finally, Arkad warns against becoming complacent or satisfied with one's current level of success, and encourages readers to continue striving towards their goals and dreams. Overall, The 10th chapter provides important insights into the power of mindset and ambition in achieving success, emphasizing the importance of big dreams, visualization, goal setting, action, and continued effort. The chapter reinforces the message of the previous chapters that building wealth requires discipline, education, and sound financial practices, but also highlights the importance of personal qualities such as ambition and determination in achieving success. Overall, The Richest Man in Babylon is a timeless classic that provides practical financial advice that is still relevant today. Its lessons on money management, wealth creation, and financial responsibility have helped millions of readers worldwide achieve financial success and security. If you like these videos, please leave a comment below. Your comments and reactions are very important as they help me understand what you like and what topics you would like to see in the future. Subscribe to my YouTube channel to keep up to date with all new videos. This will provide you with access to interesting content that I will be posting in the future. Subscribing to my channel will also help me develop it and create even better content for you. Thank you for your support.